can take a look at information on my website.
Futuramamag.com. It's not hard to spot a phony internet come-up.
Now, don't get me wrong, math can be very frustrating, myself included, but the effort you put into it is well worth it. And it can lead to exciting opportunities and careers, and most importantly, I hope you see that it to be a lot of fun.
A globetrotter always takes the good output for the final minute.
So as we finish up, please join me for a toast. To all the talented people who helped make Futurama what it is today. Thank you for putting in these math references. Thank you for bringing Futurama back to life. Cheers to you, and long live Futurama.